Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to use Snapchat on your laptop. So if you want to use Snapchat on your laptop, what you have to do, first of all, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and also press bell icon for more videos like this. Now first I try to use Snapchat in my Safari browser, but here you will see browser not supported. Snapchat for web only supports the latest version of Chrome and Edge on your computers at this time. So okay, so I go back and use it in my Google Chrome. So now here you have to type Snapchat web, okay, and click on it. Now here you have to enter your username and password. I already entered it, okay. So now click on login. So when you click on login, you will get a notification on your Snapchat. Now you have to click on yes there. Just click on yes and you will enter in your Snapchat account, okay. Now you have to just click on this lock and here you have to enable camera and microphone, okay. Now after that you can chat with anyone, okay. Now if you want to change profile, you can just go into your profile pic, and here at the profile pic you will see a tiny setting icon. Just click on it and here you will see theme system, okay. Now you can theme light or dark like this, okay. Now you can help go into help center. You can click on your profile pic, you can turn on sound effect, on all these things you can do it here. You can also uh, let's know, when you click on let's know you will see like this effects. So like this you can use Snapchat on your laptop. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.